Welcome. I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, you're going to get your time and get your financial future back on track. And today, I want to talk to you a little bit about Entre Institute and my experience with them. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share, and don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you get notifications when I put out more videos every week. So let's get back into it. Today I'm going to show you inside my dashboard. First, when you sign up, you're going to get an advisor. Then he's going to help you set stuff up. You're going to have meetings with him. He's going to discuss stuff with you. Your goals and all that. And you're not going to be thrown out there to wolves. I see a lot of things out there on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram talking about done-for-you systems, cut and paste. Well, you're not going to learn the skills if you're cutting and pasting somebody else's stuff. The only person that you're helping is the people you're cutting and pasting for, because they're the ones who's probably going to tell you, hey, you cut and paste this in to ClickFunnels or some other stuff, then here's your ready to go system. You just got to change a few things. Well, they're going to make money off you because you're cutting and pasting their information in there. So you want to learn how to do this the right way. But today, let's just get, when you first sign up, you're going to get an advisor, like I was talking. Then you're going to get into the Entre Blueprint. You're going to kind of have an idea of what Entre is all about. You're going to go through that. But the courses, you got different courses. You got the Awesome Life Challenge you can do. You can also go in here to where it says Entre Coaching, and you can go back and look at some of the coaching stuff that the other coaches are teaching and stuff, and go back and look at, like, say, a month or 2 months, when they have these calls where you can get in them and see, and kind of get extra coaching, and you can kind of see what's going on, and maybe you can't make it that day or that night. Well, you can go back and look at the videos from the previous one. So even though if you don't make it, you can still, you're not going to miss anything. That's part of this Entre coaching. But the affiliate marketing, the business, the agency, and also the course building here that's part of the bundle. If you buy the bundle, that you can do. The affiliate marketing, this is the new version right here. This is the new one and you can kind of see they talk about affiliate marketing 101, the big picture as far as what's going on in it, like using Facebooks, how to set up the Facebook groups and that kind of stuff. Then you got copyright. Copyright's important for emails and even in Facebook. You got to be able to copy. You got to be able to type and kind of word things correctly. So that's in there. Then you got the funnel design. In this one, you got traffic. How to do your traffic. Then you got the follow-up 101, as far as Facebook and leads and sales. Then your niche, how to find offers in your niche. Sales, putting it all together. Affiliate business accelerator, there's a lot in this one, but this is the new version. The older version was done by the legendary Jesse Singh, and you get a lot in that. You get the fundamentals in that one. You get the sales funnels on how to set up your funnels, and that he's going to kind of like walk you through it, and how to build leads and how do all that in ClickFunnels. Email marketing. They just added Entresoft, which Entresoft is I don't use it, but it's part of this. It's their own software, and it's a little like ClickFunnels, but you got your You also have your email list in there too, so it's kind of like one-stop shopping. Um, but if you already have ClickFunnels, you can convert it over to this if you decide. It's no big deal. I just haven't done it yet. You got the solo ads. He walks through how the right way to get solo ads on Udemy. It's so I mean you got YouTube. He'll teach you. He'll walk you through YouTube how to set it up, how to do it. Then how to come back later once you get it and tweak it. To make it rock solid. And you got blogging. How to blog. Basic stuff on that. Let's get back into the dash. There's then you got the agent. If you want to go that route, if you're into that kind of stuff, or course design. Maybe later on after you do affiliates, you want to build your own course. Well, this one here helps you design your own courses to sell. I'm kind of an affiliate marketing guy. I'd rather push somebody else's stuff. That's just me. But then you got the traffic skill course that you can take also. If you decide later, if you think you need it, just to add stuff to it. The Facebook ad accelerator, Instagram. This is all stuff that helps you set that stuff up so you're not making the mistakes and getting locked out. Because you got to be careful with Facebook running ads on Facebook. It don't take much these days on any platform. Then first thing they want to do is shut you down. I mean, for something little. So these kind of help you, and that's also that coaching stuff too. Your advisor will help you, but that coaching, the after hours coaching, and all that stuff that I just showed you earlier, they kind of dabble a little bit in some of that stuff where like I said, if you don't make it to listen to it, you can always go back and play it at your convenience. But Facebook ads. You got to be careful because they'll lock you out for anything these days. I mean, they're kind of picky and real then they got Instagram on how to run Instagram and YouTube, how to do YouTube ads. Google's another one. You got to be careful with Google. It don't take much to get you knocked out of the Google ad stuff. So I mean it's but you can see there's just ton of information in here for Entre, and that's not counting the stuff. You got stuff in here for Twitter. It's just endless, and that's not counting LinkedIn, how to do it on LinkedIn. You're just going to get so much information with this, and you're going to get so much help because you got the Entre Nation group. That the Facebook group you can get on and if you're having problems or and you're maybe somebody else has had it already and you can chit chat with somebody about it, but it's well worth the money. I know you're gonna run across a lot of stuff for $7. Don't I don't recommend it. I'm not saying you can't do it and try it, but I think what you get for Entre is well worth the time and the money because of the training you're going to get and the level of expertise that goes along with this. You got guys who's been doing this for years. Just take Jesse Singh, for instance. He started off as a car mechanic, done several multi-million-dollar deals in different niches. So he knows a thing or two about the affiliate marketing game. And that's with any of this stuff. That's with building an agency. They got the top guys that are doing it. And same thing with course design. They'll have the top guys doing that too. If you decide to go that route later, you may want to start off with affiliate marketing a year or two down the road. Say, hey, I think I've got this, and I think I want to start doing my own courses. Or it could be anything. It could be courses in anything. You don't have to be affiliate marketing. It could be whatever that you want to do it in. It could be real estate. They will. This teaches you how to do that. So, I highly recommend it. It's. I think it's well worth the money. And like I said before, If you want to learn more, click the first link in the description, and let's get started today. I said, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the little bell icon, so you get notified when I put out new weekly videos. Don't forget to share and like, and I do appreciate you supporting my channel. Thank you.